It's Dr. Gala here, and one of the things that a hack that I found in terms of how to exercise without exercising is with one of these, an elevation mask. One of the nice things about this is that you can use this in between your workouts. And you can also use it when you're also use it when you're in the car. One of the things that I do is when I'm driving is you can wear this and it'll give you the simulation of really being at about, you can go upwards of 18, even 18,000 feet elevation, even higher. The way that it works is it restricts your blood flow and it makes your lungs and your diaphragm and your accessory muscles, really all of your breathing influencers in your body work harder. And it also starves your body of oxygen, so it increases a chemical called EPO, which will increase your actually can work towards even in helping you improve your VO2 max, which we know is one of the biggest biomarkers of health as well as longevity. So it does a couple things. One is it helps with the you can just wear it and you're getting health benefits. And the benefits that it's helping you get really are a very intrinsic and total body benefit. One of the things to be cautioned is you need to make sure that you use this several times before you actually start driving with it, because unless your body's used to it and you've done it a couple times, you can get lightheaded. And the last thing you want to do is when you're driving is be lightheaded or you don't want to be lightheaded when you're driving. And also if you're wearing it in the house, the other thing I was going to say is that you don't want to do it if you're in the middle of a complex task, because you are depriving your body of oxygen while you're using this and you're having to work harder. So your breaths and your respirations may not be as deep or as full, or what we call your tidal volume or your resting volume in terms of how much oxygen and carbon dioxide you're actually expelling may not be sufficient because your lungs aren't working as efficiently or as effectively without the masks. So my point being is make sure you use the mask a couple times first before you start using it, either when you're just around your house doing whatever you're doing, odds and ends, and or when you are when you're traveling in your car. So if you're listening to podcasts, such as some of my favorites is 10X Talk with Dan Sullivan and Joe Polish, if you want to get the most out of it, you may not want to wear your elevation mask. And obviously, I think you can go to elevationmask.com and you can get, or trainingmask.com or something like that, and you can get your mask. And also, when you're driving, don't be alarmed if you get some really weird looks at stop signs and stoplights. Well, I'm Dr. Gallant. Here's to making the rest of your years the best of your years. We'll talk with you soon.